Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invite team members to your Trello board. So as you see, I have now opened a Trello board, on Trello of course, and if you want to add team members, that is actually very easy. As you see, you need to tap on share in the right upper corner of your screen, so tap on it, tap on share. And then as you see, so this is my name, this is my Trello name, I'm the workspace admin, this is me, you can see all of the people in this board. And what you can do is you can change the roles right there. So I'm currently admin of the board, but you can select member, observer, or you can leave the board. But what you can do is you can, or share this board with a link, so you can create a link, copy that link, and share that link with someone, or you can add someone's email address, so you can just type someone's email address, and just they will get a notification through their email, in which they can join the Trello board. You can also give them a different role, so observer, so add people with limited permissions to this board. If you want that, you can tap on share, so put in an email address, tap on share, change the role if you want to, and this way they will get a invitation, they can accept it, decline it, and they can join your board. And this is completely free, so you can work together within Trello, have nice project management, task management, etc. Really nice. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.